Hi friends, this video shows how to attach color print head. First open this print cover. We can lift this cover up, then release. So this way we can open print cover. Here you can see print head cover. So we need to open this print head cover. We can press here like this, then lift up. So that way we can open this print head cover. Done. On this cover you can see the label C and B. C means color, B means black. So here we need to attach color and black print heads. See, these are the print heads, color and black print heads. Let me attach this color print head. Open the cover, then remove this label. Okay, done. Then remove this sticker. Please don't touch here. Next I am going to attach this print head. So we can place it like this. See, done. We can lift this little bit up, that way we can lock. Okay, done. Same way we can attach black print head. See, done. Then close this print head cover. So we can close like this. We can press here, then close. Done. Here on top you can see two buttons. So we need to press down these two buttons. Let me press down button of color print head. Done. Then press down button of black print head. Done. Then we can close the cover of the printer. Just lift up, then release. Done. So after that we can test. This way we can attach color print head. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.